Ever finished reading a book or watching a play and felt that warm satisfaction of seeing characters overcome chaos and live happily ever after? That's the magic of comedy. Not just as jokes or humor, but as a rich literary genre with deep roots in storytelling. But what makes comedy a distinct genre in literature, and why has it stood the test of time? At its heart, comedy as a literary genre isn't just about making people laugh. It's about stories that move from conflict to resolution, often ending on a note of harmony and happiness. Unlike tragedy, which typically ends in downfall or despair, comedy focuses on human flaws, misunderstandings, and mishaps, but always with the promise of redemption or reconciliation. Think of Shakespeare's comedies like A Midsummer Night's Dream or Twelfth Night. These plays are packed with mistaken identities, tangled love triangles, and absurd situations. Yet, by the final act, everything falls into place. Lovers reunite, conflicts resolve, and order is restored. One hallmark of comedic literature is its focus on ordinary life and the quirks of human behavior. Characters are often exaggerated for effect. Think bumbling fools, clever tricksters, or overly dramatic romantics. Their flaws make them relatable and their journeys entertaining. For example, in Geoffrey Chaucer's The Canterbury Tales, which is not, of course, a comic play, but still, the diverse group of pilgrims reveals the humor and hypocrisy of medieval society. Through satire and wit, Chaucer highlights both the virtues and vices of humanity, inviting readers to laugh while reflecting on deeper truths. Comedy also serves as social commentary. Many works of comedic literature critique societal norms, politics, or cultural values using humor to expose hypocrisy or challenge authority. Why does comedy as a genre endure? Because it reflects our shared desire for resolution and hope. Even when exploring flawed characters or chaotic situations, comedic stories remind us that mistakes can be forgiven, relationships can be repaired, and life doesn't have to end in tragedy. How can you appreciate comedy as a literary genre? Look beyond the laughs and pay attention to how writers craft their worlds. Notice the character dynamics, the clever dialogue, and the way conflicts unfold. Ask yourself, what is this story saying about society, relationships, or human nature?